Hey guys, Catie Schmidt here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make orange chicken. So what you're going to need is soy sauce and garlic. And what you're going to do is just cover the chicken with soy sauce. So I'm sure all of us have been missing our favorite fast food restaurants, you know. And recently mine has been Panda Express, the orange chicken meal. So once you get your chicken covered in soy sauce, you're gonna wanna take your garlic and just get a little tip of the spoon with garlic, you know. Just put it in there, mix her on up. Seriously, this is my favorite meal. You should also make sure you do a coat over the chicken in onion powder. Don't cover it, but make sure you just get a little bit on there. Once you get your chicken covered in the soy sauce and the garlic, you're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes and let it marinate. This is what your chicken should look like. While you're letting your chicken marinate, you're gonna make the sauce for the noodles. So what you're gonna need is a 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. I'm only doing half because I'm only making it with 1 pack of noodles, but if you were to do it with 2 pack of noodles, you would do a 1/4 cup. You are going to do 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. So if you like spicy, you could add a little bit of sriracha sauce to it. I'm not a big fan of spice, so I choose not to do that. What I'm gonna do next is just a sprinkle of ginger, sprinkle of onion powder, sprinkle of black pepper, and you're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of garlic. And then you mix it all together. You will need a big pot of water and to fill it up about as much as you think you would need for how many packs of noodles you're going to use. I'm only going to be doing 1, so I think this is a good amount of water for me. While your water is boiling for your noodles, I add some broccoli into the water. You can add as many or little as you like. You're going to want to spray your pan and then turn your heat on to 4, let it warm up. And then once it's warmed up, you're gonna throw the chicken on it. So you're gonna wanna add your flour to your chicken, and you just kind of put a little bit at first, and you mix it up, see what happens. More. This helps the sauce stick better and give a better flavor for the chicken. That should be good. Now you're going to want to add your chicken to the pan and cook it. Add your noodles to the boiling water and stir. Now we need to drain our noodles and broccoli out. Put your noodles back in. Put it back on. Turn it on low. Gonna add a little bit of sauce. And you're gonna give her a bowl mixer-upper. Sure to not add too much at a time because you might end up adding too much and you can't take it away, but you can always add more. Once your chicken is fully cooked, you're gonna wanna put your orange chicken sauce on it. You wanna make sure that you don't cook it on there for too long. Now you wanna mix it around and let it sit for like 30 seconds, cook for another 30 seconds. I turned my heat down a little so it didn't burn as quickly, and it can get really flavorful. And now your meal is ready to serve. Enjoy!